Back to another video, ladies and gentlemen, in AI pin. Today we'll be going over the TaskMate bot in the specialized bot section. So as we see over here, this is the home page for this TaskMate bot. And what is the TaskMate bot? Basically, it's an assistant bot that helps you with productivity, managing tasks, reminders, meetings, whatever the case you might be. Instead of hiring another person and paying you money, you can have an AI that does it for you within seconds. If you guys need any reminders, if you guys got a busy day and you want to manage your tasks, if you guys need to stay organized, whatever the case you guys need to do, this AI can do it for you. So let's test it out and ask some prompts. Um, I have to do 5 things tomorrow before 5. Can you manage my task and streamline my work today? Each task takes 1 hour to do. Right here, and it created the whole thing. Task management plan for tomorrow. Start time 9 a.m. End time 5 p.m. Total duration 8 hours. Task 1, 9 to 10 a.m. Task 2, 10 to 11 a.m. Task 3, 11 to 12. Task 4, 12 to 1. Task 5, 1 to 2. 2 to 5, buffer time, review time, 3 hours. Prioritize tasks, and then which tasks are most important, you have to deadline. Minimize distraction, a quiet place. So as you can see, it gives you a whole little slot, right? And it gives you a whole tips and preparations that you can do in order for you to go and ace the task over the case you have to do. And I give it a very brief prompt. You guys can give it a very detailed prompt. I have this to do, I have that to do. Can you make it into a proper schedule for me, please? And it can do it for you. So if you guys need help managing stuff, if you guys need help with tasks, this is the bot to come for.